For other guests, we don't know if he's here. Harold White coached 33 years with youth clubs, River Road Wrestling, Texas Patriots. The Omega Kintros has coached for numerous youth, state, national, and high school and freestyle championships and many entered college. Wrestlers, as you come to a stop, look to your left and wave to the left. Anybody wants to take a picture? It's kind of a neat thing to have all the wrestlers on the mats at one time. All right. Now look to the other direction, to the north, and wave to those people. Now we'll have